Not by the fireworks, right by the fireworks. He's standing there right next to the fireworks.
He kept backing up because he was getting scared.
Okay, put him in the bucket. Go over that way and do it. Not over the fireworks.
I got you in the fireworks.
That one's getting wicked up.
Yeah, it is. That one's cool. Happy 4th of July. Independence Day.
Why do you think I told you to videotape it?
Where'd Darren go? Oh. Back to the fireworks.
All right.
Woo-hoo!